Stainless steel melting pot. The butter warmer's full cap base features a thick aluminum core surrounded by stainless steel for rapid, even heating. Put some drizzle on it. The melting pot's heavy-duty stainless steel is polished to a mirror finish for a classic touch and features a convenient spout for pouring melted butter, gravy, and warm sauces. Oven-safe butter melter. A comfortable handle with iconic styling provides a confident grip and is oven-safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe melting pot combines convenience with the styling and quality Farberware has delivered for decades. Perfect for melting butter, this Farberware Classic Stainless Steel melting pot butter warmer is also ideal for heating milk, cream, gravy, and sauces, too. This mini saucepot still packs in quality construction like a full cap base for rapid, even heating and a handy spout on the rim to drizzle melted butter over a big bowl of popcorn or hot fudge on a vanilla sundae. Dishwasher safe and oven safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, this melting pot is the perfect complement to the rest of the Farberware collections. Top reviews from the United States. Great, handy little pan. For health reasons, we prefer to minimize use of a microwave, so for quickly heating smaller amount of liquid, these little pots are fantastic. We actually have 2 of these that we use daily for things like heating coffee, warming/browning butter, warming smaller quantities of sauce, etc. They are so much better than other smaller pots we have had. What I like about these are the nice heavy bottom, which minimizes burning, the ease of pouring without dribbling, the handles which are well designed and do not get overly hot, and the shape which minimizes splattering. We own other high-end stainless steel cookware, so are used to caring for stainless. I occasionally use as barkeeper's friend to remove any residue or spotting, but they have really not been difficult to keep clean. The only thing I might change is to put spouts on both sides. I'm right-handed, so it is usually not an issue, but there are times I wish I could pour from the other side. It would be more difficult for a lefty to use. But, overall, a great little useful pot that I think is excellent for the price.